Introduction of Lumberjack of Canada. In the previous chapter, we have discussed that forests are one of the most important resources of North America. And in this module, we will discuss about lumbering, which is associated with forests. Lumbering is an important economic activity of Canada. Lumbering means various activities that convert tree or timber into lumber products. Earlier, it was done with traditional methods, which are now being replaced by machines. Thus, now lumbering has become a modern mechanized activity. The workers engaged in lumbering are called lumberjacks or lumbermen. Although timber is exploited in a long belt of coniferous forest which stretches from the Atlantic coast to the Pacific coast, but British Columbia, Ontario, and Quebec premises are the leading producers of timber and are home for the lumberjacks. Let us see how the lumberjacks work in different processes of lumbering. The whole work is divided into parts, and each team is given a particular responsibility. Modern lumberjacks carry all the modern equipments needed for the whole operations. The first group of men who climb the trees cut off the tops and prepare them for felling. They wear spiked shoes and have safety belts connecting them to the tree. They are known as high rigger. These riggers use powered saws to cut off the tops of the trees. The second team, which is known as fellers, cuts down the trees using mechanical fellers. After the tree is brought to the ground, its branches are removed, which is known as limbing. After limbing, the tree is sawed or bucked into log lengths. The third group is responsible for skidding or hauling the tree out of the forest. They may use river, road, or railway. Life of lumberjacks. There are a lot of changes in the life as well as working of the lumberjacks from early days. Modern technology has changed the job and the life of modern logger considerably. Although the basic task of harvesting trees is still the same, the machinery and tasks are no longer the same. Let us compare the early days' life of lumberjacks with today's life. In the early days, lumbering was a very tedious work. Trees had to be felled with the help of an axe. These days, however, powered saws are used for felling the trees, making the work not only less tedious but also much faster. Most of the work of felling and cutting the trees is done in winter season, because in the cold season the sap of the trees stops flowing and it makes felling easier. Snow surface also makes hauling of logs easier. Also, Winter season is the time when the people who engaged in farming activities do not have work. So they migrate to the forest to work and stay in small colonies with log houses, having the facilities of kitchen, sleeping roofs, etc. Rainy season is the time for planting new trees and other activities like maintenance of roads and spraying of pesticides, etc. Modern lumberjacks of Canada are highly skilled in their work. Modern large-scale lumbering operations require special mechanical equipment and technical knowledge. These days, loggers are employed by forestry management companies. The Canadian government is adopting a systematic plan for replanting trees. This has a good impact on the life of the lumberjacks. Now, lumbering is not a seasonal work. The whole process of planting and felling the trees provides them work throughout the year. The replanting and reuse of forest areas and the continuous move towards tree farming rather than exploitation and industrialization have led to the development of settled communities of lumberjacks. Thus, lumbermen do not face the hardships of the past, and their way of life has changed a lot now.